It's Chaz, and today I want to introduce to you the local SEO and AI search framework, and I'm going to explain to you why it means more visibility, protection, and future-proofing at no extra cost. Let's explore what the AI-First SEO process actually does. All right, the first thing is it has a persistent campaign memory. Every campaign remembers its full history, what we tried, what worked, what's next. Nothing gets lost between months or handoffs. Nothing. Number two, an interconnected strategy. Rankings, content, links, your Google profile are all read together as one system. So every move reinforces the others. And then finally, deep, continuous data analysis. We analyze far more data more often, allowing us to spot those opportunities and competitor gaps that manual review just doesn't surface enough of. But let me reassure you, AI amplifies our team. It doesn't replace them. The strategies, the judgments, the experience are ours. AI just lets us execute more of those experiences faster. And you can think of AI, sharpest associate our team has ever had. It never forgets, works around the clock, and does exactly what our strategists direct. It's backed by 10,000 campaigns of experience. AI helps us assemble more of that experience into every execution. It doesn't start from zero. Our team just can execute faster and in more depth. And with execution accelerated, we spend more time closing those gaps with your top competitors. Included in your campaign are core AI search strategies. And there's no extra fees for this. We've already incorporated these strategies into every single one of our campaigns. I've literally immersed myself the last 2 weeks of doing nothing else. We now have AI visibility tracking. We monitor how your brand shows up inside AI search answers. Schema and structured data are the machine readable signals so AI understands exactly who you are. We have new AI crawler standards that tell language models how to read your site. AI-first content optimization. This makes sure your content is structured to be quoted and cited by AI answers. An entire new launch of entity signals. This is going to reinforce your brand as a trusted, recognized local entity. And then answer-ready formatting. Again, no extra cost in your campaign. This is all included. Also in your campaign, 4 foundations that protect and amplify your visibility. Each one strengthens your AI search results, and all of them are now included in the campaigns. Included is data aggregation, listing protection. We feed the major engines your clean, consistent map data, and we monitor that. We protect it. We make sure that nothing can change your Google Business Profile data, and we prevent duplicates from arising and suppress existing duplicates. AI entity alignment. We submit and continuously monitor your brand details across the AI and large language models. We make sure your name, your address, your phone, all your details are consistent. And then we feed that additional details about your brand, your services, your markets, and your unique selling propositions. Voice search alignment. Again, we're submitting you and not only just your NAP details, but very extensive knowledge about your brand to the top voice search assistants. And many of these are now interconnected with AI and large language models themselves. So again, we're making sure your brand is everywhere. Your potential clients are going to find you. Next, we submit you to 20 plus GPS and map platforms, monitoring consistently to make sure your brand details are 100% consistent across where people are searching for you. And every piece reinforces the others. This isn't just a random stack of add-ons. It's a connected system, and it's going to give you the clean, protected data. You get your brand AI and voice aligned, and maps everywhere, not just on Google. We submit you to Apple, we submit you to Bing, all the mapping platforms. It's maximum visibility everywhere customers search. Google, Maps, voice assistant, and AI answers all working in your favor. It's a future-proof system that's working for you right now. And if you have any questions about what AI-First local SEO looks like, visit chazedward.com. Reach out to our team or our chat assistant on the website. We're available 24/7.